And he's starting this one with a monster of a hill climb. Joe Fleming Hill. A hill that has defeated us in the past, I ain't gonna lie. But not today. And it's just the start. Oh, not bad. Now to reap the benefits. Oh, don't reap too much benefits, give a little breaks. I know I was hearing some sort of internal combustion beast behind me. Oh, and I think my GPS gave out. It's been saying rerouting for a while. Yeah, leave it on, see if it pick back up soon. Thanks, Mamu. Alright guys, so let's see it, man. Good morning. It's our favorite ugly man brethren here today again. And I already know what time it is. Mamu on the road. Remember I promised you all a very special video. Well, let me tell you what went on. See, the boy went on Facebook and hold on. Yeah. The boy went on Facebook and decided I was gonna find one of those cycling groups to go out on a group ride. So I went and I found and I submitted my membership and you know, organized to go on the ride. Sunday morning I get up, prepare myself, think, ready. I said I'm gonna check everybody's status before I leave home. It turns out the ride was Saturday. But to tell you the truth, at that point, I kind of felt a bit of instant relief. I don't know why. Well, you know, I always comfortable by myself. I don't need a big crowd around. So anyway, that was the plan. That being said, hold on. Morning. It is Wednesday morning and we're just out doing a bit of exploration. We're heading to uncharted territories here. We're going to cross the highway and explore that area a little bit. See what it looks like. So, a new area for we to scope out and knock her up. All good? All right? Alright, I'm going to put a few miles behind me and I'll get back to you all in a few. Oh, let's see them dark clouds up there over the hills. It just so happens that's exactly where we're going today. So let's go. Alright guys, if I'm being totally honest, the plan today was to still provide you all with a very special video. The plan was to head to Piparo Mud Volcano. But at this point, my GPS has given out and I have no idea how to get there from where I am. I have a vague idea from looking at it on the map, but that's about it. And looking at how this weather looking up ahead over them hills there, I don't know. We'll see how far we reach. If not, we just do a little bit of exploring in a new area. Well, I remember I was a crap fisherman, but I might be a crap cyclist as well. No big surprise there. Yeah, I try not to take these things too seriously, because it's a hobby after all. And taking things seriously is the surest way to suck the fun out of it. Oh, that breeze blowing. And this is not the safest area to be. Quite literally on the wrong side of the tracks. What's the name of that road? Forest Park Road. Oh, I wish my GPS was working right about now. Alright, that rain coming down hard. Time to seek some shelter. Oh, this will do. This will do. Whew. Ah, crap. Whew. The adventures are my move. Alright, let me see if I get this GPS working in the meantime. Alright, the rain is up a little bit. We get back on the road, it's still drizzling a little bit, but it's about as good as it's gonna get for now, I think. Spent a few minutes in the savannah, they just breezing out, drinking some water and thing. Oh. Oh. I have not managed to get the GPS back online. On the upside, the mount working perfectly though, it's not shaking, it's not moving. But the GPS signal keeps cutting out. So much for the G and GPS. Oh, shit. There's a trench in the road. Hell of a hill climb. Rewarded it a pretty nice view though. Check the hills. Yeah, the road. But now, we have us a downhill. Whew. Brakes don't fail me now. Slow. Alright, get it. Hope this road actually come out where I think it's coming out. I don't think we're gonna be able to reach that mud volcano today. I need to sort out this GPS before I make that trek. Because the back here is just a spider web of roads like this in every direction. They're really hard to navigate. On this episode of Why the Hell Do I Do This to Myself, wait a minute, I should not be going back uphill. Yeah, no, something wrong here, I should not be going back uphill. Oh, afternoon, afternoon. How are you reaching Macaulay Junction on the highway? Yeah. Yeah, by the fly. What stuff I'm trying to get? I come from the dump side. Go around the corner. Alright, thanks man. Oh, we call that old school GPS. Yeah, look at right here. Look Macaulay Junction right here. And I was going back up the hill, you know. Ah, boy, I egg. And yet another monster of a uphill. Alright. Today's journey was not long, but it sure was treacherous. And as we know, what goes up must come down. Oh, corner brakes. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. I need to get a bell or a horn or something. Cross the road, cross the road. You're blocking, thank you. Yeah. Welcome to dry season 2021. Rain every day. Don't mind me, security, I'm just passing through. Damn, that's choppy. Oh, and my suspension's still locked out from the hill climb. Oh! Oh, hold on, hold on. Let me turn on back this front shocks. Okay, it is much smoother with the suspension on. Ooh. Drift through the gravel. Almost fall, wouldn't do that again. Well, maybe. Give me room, give me room. Beep, beep, bitches. I want to take a ride in the fishing depot. There we go, see how the water looking like as we in the area. Yes. Raindrops are falling on my head. Chop man, you the big enough. But right now is the second baddest thing on the road. Just man.